Oh my goodness. Nope. No caller ID? No answer, bro. 70 degrees, 83% humidity, and there was a good little thunderstorm last night. It was actually a tornado watch for a while, but it doesn't look too bad out here. I thought there would be a lot more debris. Pretty excited. My TikTok channel is starting to get a lot of momentum. Hopefully I can keep that up. So you have to check me out if you go, if you're a TikToker. If you're a TikTok-a-locker, account is just at M109R. I don't know what it is. What is it? Motovlog? Vlog? What is it? M109R. Must be Motovlog. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen. Always got to stay up with the newest platform. I also started putting things on Instagram Reels, but it's not doing so well. I don't think you can really make money on Instagram, though, can you? YouTube seems to be the biggest money maker, but I've heard people make money on TikTok, but I think it's still YouTube is where it's at. Another one of those days where I thought, nah, I don't need the jacket. Yes, I did. Oh, buddy, we got a training vehicle up ahead. You know they're training when they're just carrying around random pieces of cement. M's. Is that like your name's Emily, but you shortened it to M's? Or does EMZ stand for something? Like an EMT, but an EMZ. This just shows you how long I've been out of the car business. This car is a Buick Lucerne? I've never heard of that. What is that? Like a Chevy Malibu? Oh yeah! Oh, their license plate is oh yeah! Do you see that? Oh yeah! Instead of aw yeah. It's one way to handle the light. Let's see what we can do here. I watched a motovlog the other day of a guy on an electric bike. I think it's a dirt bike. It's just not the same. Oh, the breezy feels great. Hopefully that continues for softball this evening. 79 and 49% humidity. I'll take it. That's Iowa for you. Padre, 19. You have 19 children? My kids are still in bed. Because, you know, there's no more school. So I thought I'd start further down the street. Because they know the sound of my motorcycle. It's only 55. So this might be a little chilly. Always hope it starts, right? It's a long push back to the garage. I'm going to be really cold once I get there. Thank you for the red light. I appreciate it. The sun and the red light. Don't drive over there. There you go. There's a whole video full of me clearing my throat. You're welcome. So annoying. Reminds me of COVID. That's what I had for like 2 months. It's like felt like I needed to clear my throat. Let me clear my throat. You know what? I don't think I have my keys. I don't. Doors. Macros. Okie dokie, Pinocchio. Here we go. Beautiful weather, 70 degrees, 40% humidity, and I am prepared. I got the hoodie, I got the wind jacket, I got the mesh jacket, just sprinkled a bit ago, but I think it's done for the day. With the humidity being low, it's already cleared off, dried up. My prediction is we will see no motorcycles. It's too cold. It's probably too cold this morning for them to ride to work. You know what I've never seen here is an accident. Not personally, like I haven't seen it happen. I've seen the aftermath of an accident. I've heard of some situations that have happened here, but I've never actually seen it myself. I don't know what this person's doing. Sleeping? I don't know if they're sleeping or... But I'm going. Hey, there's a motorcycle! I stand corrected! What are we flashing our lights at? That's my wife. Taking my son to work, but I thought he worked at 5. Must not work till 5:30. I was wondering why that car was flashing their lights at me. I was like, uh-oh, what's going on? Is there a problem? Is this going to... It's just my wife, yo! That was the second motorcycle. I stand corrected twice. Twice corrected. My nose is itching. Somebody needs to invent a nose itcher for motorcycle riders. We just need something that can itch our nose for us. How would you activate it? Activate by Siri. Hey Siri, itch my nose. I gotta get right up here. The sky's turning. Thank you. This guy's turning without a... Use your return signal! Seriously. I know the Infinity has it. Weston!
Picture it in my mind.
Do ya?
Lock it in my mind.
You got it locked in your mind? Cool. Well, the kids will be here in a minute, okay? Okay, see you later. Hello? Someone here? Who's here? Oh, Weston's outside asking if you guys wanted to play. I thought you were taking Denver to work. But you'd probably rather sit and watch TV than play outside.